Affiliate Marketing 101. A Beginner's Guide. Hey there, fellow entrepreneurs. Welcome back to Life Reviews channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of affiliate marketing. If you're new to this, don't worry, I've covered you with our comprehensive beginner's guide. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of affiliate marketing and how to start your journey in this lucrative field. Let's jump right in. What is affiliate marketing? Alright, let's start with the basics. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where individuals as affiliates promote products or services on behalf of companies, merchants, and earn a commission for each sale, click, or lead generated through their referral. Think of it as a win-win situation. You help promote products you believe in, and you earn a commission for each successful action. The players in affiliate marketing. In the affiliate marketing ecosystem, there are three key players. The merchant, this is the company that offers products or services. They provide affiliates with unique tracking links to monitor sales and conversions. The affiliate, that's you. As an affiliate marketer, you'll promote the merchant's products using your unique affiliate links. The consumer, this is the individual who clicks on your affiliate link, makes a purchase, and generates a commission for you. How affiliate marketing works. Let me walk you through the affiliate marketing process step by step. Choose a niche. Select a niche or industry that aligns with your interests and expertise. Find affiliate programs. Join affiliate programs relevant to your niche. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale are great places to start. Get your affiliate links. Once approved, you'll receive unique affiliate links for the products you want to promote. Promote products. Create engaging content around these products. It could be blog posts, videos, social media posts, or even podcasts. Drive traffic. Share your content across various platforms to attract an audience. Audience clicks. When your audience clicks on your affiliate links and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Earn commissions. As your audience grows and trusts your recommendations, your commissions start rolling in. Finding profitable niches. Choosing the right niche is crucial. Look for niches with a balance between demand and competition. Conduct research to identify what people are looking for, and then find products that cater to those needs. For example, if you're into fitness, you could promote workout equipment, supplements, or online training programs. Selecting affiliate programs. Explore different affiliate programs within your chosen niche. Research the commission rates, payment terms, and the quality of products offered. Remember, it's essential to promote products you genuinely believe in. Authenticity builds trust with your audience. Creating compelling content. Content is king. Create high-quality content that educates, entertains, or solves problems for your audience. Whether it's blog posts, videos, or social media updates, ensure that your content resonates with your target audience and encourages them to take action. The power of tracking and analytics. Tracking is the backbone of affiliate marketing. Most affiliate programs provide you with tracking tools that show how many clicks, sales, and conversions your links generate. This data helps you analyze what's working and what needs improvement. Compliance and disclosure. Transparency is key. Always disclose your affiliate relationships to your audience. It's not only a legal requirement but also builds trust with your viewers. You can include a simple disclaimer in your content or video descriptions. And there you have it, Affiliate Marketing 101. Remember, success in affiliate marketing takes time, effort, and dedication. But with the right strategies and a genuine desire to help your audience, you can create a sustainable source of income. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, happy affiliate marketing. Thank you for watching Life Reviews channel. Please comment below if you have any questions or want to share your affiliate marketing journey. Stay tuned for more tips, tutorials, and guides. Take care, and keep hustling.